Hello, in this video I want to show you how to try 3 games with PSVR on Steam. To do this, first you will need to perform the first setup on your on your PSVR headset, and when it's ready, we'll be able to find the big screen right here. Then you will need to point at the top Steam VR apps, and on the right you can find 3 apps by player count, and you can just click on one of them to begin downloading, for example Rec Room. Then we can view the details. Open your Steam overlay, then you need to click on play game. It will download. After that you can just open it and start playing it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.